is Danny, and today I'm doing a requested video, and it was a commenter who requested it, but my friend is going to help me. So what we're going to do is, he went to a Taiwanese candy shop here and got 40 kwai worth of snacks. I don't know what he got at all, so I'm going to be blindfolded. He's going to show you the snack, and then I'm going to try it. I have a small cup just in case I absolutely hate it. Alrighty, let's get started. Okay. Kind of, okay, really hard in the middle. I'm assuming it's something on a plastic piece inside, with the way it feels. This whole video is just me struggling with packaging.
Struggling with everything.
It's a cookie.
Yeah.
It's a cookie.
What type of cookie?
I don't think chocolate. It doesn't smell like chocolate. It's very bready, I think. Is it kind of like shortbread?
Do it that side, other side.
Why? You're being... You're being... Ah! It's like a wafer cookie, but harder.
Take a bigger bite.
Please don't say that in a deeper voice again. It has a filling. But honestly, because of the outside, you can't taste the filling. Like, I'm tasting nothing from the middle. Okay, a little bit, but not nearly enough. The outside crust piece overpowers it. It's, what's the thing I'm talking about? The outside crust?
The crust means outside.
I'm trying to figure out the cookie. Okay? Like, I've had the cookie before. Fortune cookie! That's it! I'm sorry, like, I haven't had one in so long. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can just get the filling. Because, yeah, the fortune cookie stuff is a lot stronger flavor. It's a fruit preserve. I can't tell you the fruit.
It's one of your favorites.
My favorite fruit's banana. That's not banana.
So it's one of your favorites.
One of my favorites? Peach?
Nope.
Blueberry?
Okay, maybe not one of your favorites.
Is it year-round here?
No.
Well, my favorites are like banana, blueberry, watermelon. Cantaloupe. Kiwi? No, that's not kiwi. That's not sour enough for kiwi. What is that?
Pineapple.
Boy, they really got rid of like all of the acidity of pineapple. The sad part is on this side, there's no filling.
Oh.
There's like none on that part.
I found another meat one. I suck at this.
How much of that 40 kwai went to meat?
Not a lot.
Alright. I'm assuming this is another cookie.
That's the way the cookie crumbles.
Oh, okay. There's no plastic. It's get it out of the packaging. Okay, let's see. Okay, this part, it's got me stumped right here.
Don't worry about it.
Okay, that's just a mess up.
Yeah.
It's got a filling.
Because like us, cookies are not perfect.
Got a layer of something here. Like, this feels different than this part.
Yes.
Top part. So it's a cookie with the... Oh, by the way, don't smell cookies. They don't smell that good up close. It smells like tar mat. Like fresh tar mat put down. Okay, so... That was not the texture I was expecting. Not at all. It's a general processed to... It's not even anything's real on this thing anymore. Like, it's extremely processed cookie. What is that top layer though? I'm getting worse and worse at telling these. Actually, I was never good at it. Is it a fruit?
Yep.
It just tastes like sugar.
Yeah, that's all it is.
The sugar glaze?
Yeah.
No. Okay. Thought that was just me losing my mind there for a second.
Yeah, it's just a sugar glaze.
Oh. Okay, yeah, that terrified me. Ha! Ba! Okay, small snack. Okay, first tiny one. Oh, except other than the milk duds. Okay, it's in plastic, so no, it's not. Is it in a plastic container? We gonna find out. All right, not in a plastic container. It tastes like popcorn. Like the disgusting movie theater popcorn here. Is this one of those brand snacks? Like, looks like a Rice Krispie?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, these are fine.
It's a chocolate one.
It's only chocolate in appearance. It's not bad, yeah. It's fine. But it kind of tastes like the crappy movie theater popcorn here.
Alright, so this one has a bunch of different flavors in it. You don't have to eat them all, but I definitely know this is something that you'll like.
I love the tabs. Oh my gosh. Okay, that threw me off. Like, none of these smell okay. Like, I'm gonna tell you that right now. None of these smell like they're fresh and good. They all smell like they've been in a closet for 3 months. Is it a fruit? Kind of feels like a banana chip, but I know it's not. Is this a banana chip?
Yeah.
I gotta trust myself more here. I love banana chips. Different fruits, right?
Yep.
That was banana.
Not just fruit, also vegetables as well.
Also, I was about to say, that did not break like a fruit. Is that carrot?
Same family.
Same family?
Mm-hmm.
I didn't know carrots had a family.
They're part of the root family.
It's another root? Oh. Potato?
I think so, actually.
Or is it taro?
Not taro.
Not taro? Okay. That one I'll eat. No, I need to keep on with the video. Is this a different one?
No, that's banana chip.
Banana chip?
Yeah, that's a different one.
Okay. So this one's a vegetable, I think.
You missed your mouth.
Shut up. Is it another root?
Yep.
Yeah, this one's potato.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potato. Ever since I came to China, I've really started liking these.
One more there.
Oh, one more?
Or you can look at it.
Okay. Boy, you about got me with that jackfruit though.
Why? You don't like jackfruit?
God no.
Jackfruit's good.
What is this?
That's a sweet potato.
Jackfruit's terrible.
I'll take your jackfruit, please.
Especially dried. Oh my god. Yeah. It's not terrible this one. It's pretty good snack. Does it say complex? Complex. Complex dried fruit. I'm judging. It's a single. Kind of feels squishy. Get a lot of salt and a lot of sugar in my mouth. Cookie? What flavor is that? It's not bad. I mean, with these cookies, the outside is always extremely chalky, and the inside is never moist enough to get rid of chalk mouth. It's like those Danish cookies. The brand.
Deniska.
Deniska, okay.
You're pretty close, actually.
Alright, I'm just gonna get in the middle. It's a fruit with a lot of meat in it. I would say chewy meat rather than like apple that's really hard. Is that correct?
Yeah.
It's not peach. It's not a citrus. It doesn't have the bite for a citrus. I just had a piece of the fruit. I have no idea.
Mango cranberry.
I would have never gotten both of those. I never would have. It's not bad. There's no cranberry. There's no cranberry. That's straight up mango. But there is so much sugar inside of these jams that it literally masks the flavor of the fruit. Yeah. Ever since doing that 1 month of no sugar, like I'm pretty sure I can tell the fruits apart, like if they're fresh. With all that sugar, all I taste is sweetness. Alright.
2 more.
2 more? Okay.
Here you go.
Okay. Kind of is it freeform again?
Yes.
Okay. So I don't Hulk this across the room?
You gotta have muscles to do that.
I heard the air escape. Oh, and that was a bad smell coming with it. I don't like most smells apparently. Is this a dried fruit thing again?
Yep.
That's it. Is this jackfruit?
No.
Is this jackfruit? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because that feels like jackfruit.
It's not jackfruit.
Oh, okay. That's a big chunk.
Yeah.
Why is that so big?
The meats of the fruit are typically a little bigger.
That don't smell good. That don't smell good at all. That smells terrible. Like, oh God, what can I even compare that to? Oh, what is that? Is it yellow?
Just take a bite.
That's jackfruit. That tastes like jackfruit. Is it durian?
Yes.
Ew! Oh! Is this whole bag durian? Oh, I hate you! Oh! Oh!
It smells sweet to me, actually.
Oh, that smells like... I knew as soon as I smelled it, that was something I hated. Oh God, durian sucks. Dried and with liquid. Ugh. 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 I need to get that taste out of my mouth.
It don't taste bad.
Oh, it's terrible. It's terrible.
It smells horrendous.
Yeah, it tastes horrendous.
It tastes like a fruit popcorn.
No, it does not. Man, this was the one you were mentioning, wasn't it? It was one I was not gonna like. That's annoying. Can you get me a napkin? I'm in my bathroom. "24 years. 24 years I've been drinking stuff and I still have not mastered it."
There's no more in your bathroom.
Yes, there is.
That was it.
On the back of the toilet. Boy, you can't fight me on that. I just put that in there this morning.
Actually, that durian's bad.
Yeah. Welcome to the light side. Cause that ain't the dark side. Dark side is liking that crap. Oh my god.
Oh, there's 2 more.
Oh, okay. One better not be meat. Oh, I don't like the feeling of squishy coming from you. It's squishy. It's a liquid. Can you open it for me?
Hashtag things out of context. Be careful not to squeeze too hard. Right there.
Okay.
Drink all of it.
Excuse you. This is my video. It smells like pretty normal, actually. So much sugar. What am I pulling out?
It's a jelly.
A jelly? Okay. I was about to say, it better not be a noodle. Okay.
How do you drink all of it?
Not a drink. Again, artificial. Doesn't taste like mango.
Not mango.
Not mango. It's not peach. It's not a citrus. Doesn't taste citrusy. When you try to go through fruits you know and that they have here, and then you realize you don't know that many fruits. It's not grape. I know that much.
It's tears of your enemies.
Cherry?
No.
Is it a fruit I don't like?
You like it.
I like
Maybe.
it. Maybe?
Actually, I don't know if you've had this fruit before.
Oh, well, that's not. How am I supposed to guess it?
Just describe the taste to us.
It tastes like artificial fruit.
What type of fruit? Fruit's a big word.
So is artificial, but typically artificial covers it. It's not citrusy. There's no sour taste to it, but usually there isn't in artificial anyway. It's not apple. I don't know.
It's lychee.
Oh, lychee. Yeah, I don't eat lychee.
Yeah, lychee jelly.
Oh, that's not bad. I've had a lychee drink before. I didn't like it. Because in the lychee drink, it tastes like they put pepper in it with it. Like black pepper. And I'm like, I didn't like that. I don't eat lychee because it's just really hard to eat, honestly. Like, if I have to fight the food to eat it, I don't want to eat it.
Okay, last one.
Last one! Hopefully it's good. He already got rid of his trump card. Oh, it's a drink. I hate you! Boy! No! I was like, why is that taking so long? Okay. Oh wow, this is actually much taller than I thought it was gonna be. Is it a China soda or is it like a Western soda?
That's China soda.
China soda, okay. Why is it so big? Like, I was not, like, everything else here is like pretty small in cans, but this is giant.
Your best product pose. Cool.
Alright, we can use that for the thumbnail. Oh.
I personally like the photo of you trying to drink the baby bottle.
No. It depends on how it looks. Okay, let's see. When you realize you've never really smelled a soda before. It tastes like a juice. Like, half of it's high fructose corn syrup juice, but it tastes like a juice. Is there any apple in this?
Maybe.
Boy, do you even know what this is?
Yes.
There's apple?
I don't know.
So yes, you know what it is, but you don't know about apple, then you don't know what it is.
I just don't want to tell you.
Yeah, it tastes like a basis of apple juice.
Apple juice has a base.
Well, no, like when you have a lot of fruit juices in America and like they'll use like apple juice or like apple flavoring in it. It's a common thing, okay? Read your boxes. I'm just tasting sweet. Like I'm tasting real sweet. It's a fruit, right?
Yeah, it's the fruit.
Okay. Mango?
Nope.
Is it similar to apple?
Kind of.
I'm sorry, what was that word?
Maybe.
Maybe?
Possibly.
Okay. It's not bad, it's good. Is there Chinese on the can?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm screwed. I can't really read any fruits. Is there a picture of the fruit? Then what you mean? You don't know if it contains apple.
I said I don't want to tell you.
Peach?
Yeah, it's a peach milk.
It's peach milk. Okay. Green power peach juice. Why did I hear carbonation? Why did I smell? Maybe it's because I started sniffing it like right after I popped it open. So it still had some of the air.
I didn't know there was English on it.
I'm like, yeah, it's Chinese. I'm like, peach juice. Oh, yeah, that's good, though. Oh, that's why it tastes like it has apple in it, though. Because peach juice and apple juice are pretty similar. When it's processed. Do I look crazy? I do? Oh, well. Do I still have my eyebrows? Yeah, they don't look like they're rubbed off. We good. Alright, so we have a lot of crap. Get rid of the durian. Oh my god. No. No. Okay. But you're moving the phone. Still moving it. Please stop blowing that. Thank you. Alrighty, so this is the end of this video. If you want another one, it'd be kind of fun to do.
I'll bring more durian.
No more durian. And especially no noodles, no meat. Okay, no noodles, no meat. But everything else was pretty good. I don't know who all is gonna eat the rest of this because I don't think I can finish it. But I had a lot of fun doing it, although also a lot of terrifying moments. Had a near-death experience, was fed some meat and some durian. Don't know how to feel about this friendship now. I think I should question it. But if you have any concerns, questions, anything else you'd like to add, put it down below and I will see you later. Bye-bye! Okay, you can turn it off. You can just touch it regularly. It's fine.